Please now, this is the time we're gonna be playing. Hello! Wait, Daniel! Hello! Hello! Oh, put your name and your age. Just your age and your name, not your location or your house.
It's gonna be 1:11.
Yeah, no, good. Well, that was introduction. I am Raymer Martin Banwa. And bro, stop laughing at my name. We will make a part 2 of this video tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Night. Tomorrow at night. You already have some wood, you already have many
I have
wood.
10.
Well, I'm gonna shut down these two.
Turn into
I'm gonna
40 planks.
this might be the worst idea I ever had. About to dig straight down. The biggest man of my never dig straight down.
Sticks. Okay.
Look at me. I'm digging straight down.
That's that number 1 rule.
Yeah, nobody cares. I always sleep.
I care.
Bro, you should dig straight
Here.
down.
Look at me. Look.
Bro, who
Look.
plays that dirt? Not me.
Yes, that's you. Dapat take good dirty sound.
Bro, I'm literally digging dirt.
I'm getting stone.
Get stone for us. I'm gonna find you get material. You get food, I get stone.
No, you get food.
No, you get stone.
No, you get stone.
You get
Food or
stone.
stone? Ay, oh, imo sword oh.
I have a sword too. Wait, kill that pig for food. Bro, what the come over here, come over here. Bro, what the uh, Daniel, what the actual fucking hell? Bro, why is there like a bajillion go over here? Why is there like a bajillion pink flowers? Nah. Bro, I'm literally right here at the creepy pink flowers. Bro, you're blind. Hey, bro, kill the pig. It's food.
It's my brother.
Bro, we're puppies.
I'm killing for my brother. I want the meat.
No, we need the food. We need to cook it.
I want to first craft instantly.
Currently, I'm building a. Making scared, bro. But why is it scary? Oi, get food.
My god, ako right now.
Well, I'll. Shooting. I don't need.
Kasi ba't may underground base?
Don't need the underground base.
Hindi naman.
It's not gonna protect us from literal. It's not gonna protect us. It's not gonna protect us from an evil entity. Oh. Minsan, look, there's ang ano, I feel like something's very weird. Something's following me. Hmm? Bro, where are you going? You need to get
my crafting table.
Fine, I'll get stone.
I have stone.
Steve.
I have stone.
Currently, it's 3 minutes. I'll make it 5 minutes. I have my own crafting table. I built the fitness too. Tawag ko. I think you need to find to find place.
What is that?
A dog. No.
No, not paint.
Wait. Bigla, ang mga, galing this one question, ang mga dogs hindi ma-spawn sa mga water areas? Where? Kill it. It's food. Where? He's attacking you. Bruh, don't attack. You don't have to attack animals.
Bro, put your steak. Bro, get your steak or I'm gonna. Hey! Do you have steak or something?
Yes.
We need.
I have 24 wood.
Bro, we need
You need
steak.
a pickaxe and a sword.
Bro, we need steak for real. We're dying. I'm gonna get fish.
I have stick. Here.
I'm gonna kill some fish. Die fish.
Have a kind of wood.
Die.
This is your chicken.
Okay,